And as we can see definitely in the visuals clearly that this is a kind of situation which persists on the roads of the national capital amid the chaos and the disruption that has unfolded and waken up the Delhiites this morning. Now my colleague Arzu is joining me live on the broadcast from ITO, which continues to be a very important zone in the national capital to connect the several areas. ITO often is seen as a point of heavy traffic jam under normal days as well, working days as well, and right now when in fact a dust storm and a hailstorm has happened in the national capital with disrupting many routes and causing difficulty due to the waterlogged streets. Arzu, what are you in fact picking up from the region which continues to be posing difficulty and the challenges for the commuters in the national capital?
Well, Simran, the downpour has led to the widespread disruption in the national capital early morning. Heavy rainfall that the national capital has received, and also would like to show the visuals right now from the ITO, where you can see the traffic congestion, and due to the waterlogging, there has been a lot of roads that has been waterlogged, due to which such a situation have now can be seen on ground, where you can see the traffic congestion, and also the half of the stretch of the road has been waterlogged, due to which the commuters in two-wheelers and four-wheelers are facing a lot of problem. In fact, several vehicles got stuck in the water while moving from this particular road. And also the opposition, Aam Aadmi Party, the former Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, in fact, share the visuals of the waterlogging of this particular area. ITO saying that this is the particular, you can see the PWD office is here, and in front of that, this is the situation of the road of the ITO, and they are also saying that it's the 4-inch government in the national capital, and this is the situation after the first rainfall of the season here in the national capital. So as you can see, the politics is also right now taking place due to the first rainfall, and these are the visuals from the ITO currently showing you. There has been some water that has been gone out, but still you can see how the the vehicles are moving from this particular place. A lot of vehicles got stuck, and right now also, as the IMD has also issued red alert for the national capital, as you can also see the entire region is also cloudy. The black clouds can clearly be seen, and also the red alert has been issued, and it is expected that weather will be continued to remain the same till 4th of May. Yes, Simran.
All right, in fact